there zoom, little bit zoom. Now the version is complete. There is IC 35. Must pause. Must pause. This is based on 3507 EIC. This is a mystery IC. I did not find the sheet. So IC pin number 1 is empty. Pin number 2 is connected a 1 ohm resistor to a and another nanofarad capacitor with parallel with 10 microfarad 25 volt capacitor to a ground for internally filtering. IC pin, I mean pin number 2. Pin number 1 is not connected. Pin number 3 is connected also ground via 1 ohm resistor. Pin number 4, 5, I mean 4 is connected. 4, 6 is connected resistor oscillator which is 24.0 amp and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin number 6 is also ground. 7, 8 and 9 is connected these three switches, one terminals left, right and left, right and push, and these are the switch other terminal is common to the ground, and this is a potentiometer, 10-tape potentiometer. This potentiometer, and there is a LED potentiometer, one terminal is connected to the, let me see, 1 ohm resistor to IC pin number, let me count, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, pin number 14, 15, pin number 16, pin number 16, 15, pin number 14 is connected with a 1 ohm resistor to a potentiometer to a positive via 1.115 ohm resistor, and positive to negative there are 4.7 microfarad 25 volt capacitor is used electrolytic to filter the power, and there is one more capacitor as positive to negative which is another nanofarad capacitor non-electrolytic to also filtering the power. These are 5 volt power for this mouse, and LED is positive getting by this 5 volt and negative getting by this 1.12 ohm resistor to the pin IC pin number 11, and IC pin number 10, I mean 12, and 10 and 11 is connected to the 10 is connected to the 1 ohm to the pin number 2 also, and 11 is connected to the ground for IC, and pin number 15 is connected to potentiometer middle terminal, pin number 15 and pin number 14, I mean 16 is connected to the other terminal of third terminal of potentiometer, and pin number 18 and 17 is 3.3 micro to the data plus data negative data positive for the mouse. These USB cable USB terminal. So first, negative those all these switches. When you push the switch, there's those the one by one negative to this IC pin number 1, 2, 3, and this IC knows which slit is pressed, and then it's do command to a pin number 18 and 17 via these 3.3 micro resistors, and this large IC needs large signal with this 24.0 amp resistor oscillator which is connected between 4 or 6 pin, and IC needs ground with 4 plus 11 pin is ground into that ground to the other, and LED this IC is produce a pulse with modulation which is limited by resistor and turn on this LED, and this LED shine the light of this LDR which is inside this IC, which is know which direction is mouse rotate, because mouse bottom side there I think I missed the one part which is not, I think they are not available in this right now, there may be available this one, this part fit the bottom side of mouse, this portion, and underneath there like that. When your mouse is rotate, it is also moved like that. When your mouse moves like that, it moves like that. So it's move the LED, particularly this LED angle, and this LED is move light back and forward, which is those bit by the sensor and optical IC on with LDR, and which can give ICs convert direction, meaning when you pull mouse that way, IC knows mouse pulls left side and pull right side or pull down and up moving angle which adequate is converted as digital signal like the 0 and 1 and driven by these data positive and negative terminals to a computer. This 3.3 MHz resistor is limit the data signal so it's not kill the computer by applying over signal. And this little circuit is. Now this video can become next video very soon with other projects. But wait, first I tell once more explaining. Power is first power in, filter, a range filter, voltage current limit, and how negative those to the switches to one by one do the command. And once I also tell these pin number 15 is all 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Pin number 14 is also a IC power pin which is limited by 15 plus 16 ohm, 1 ohm plus 15 ohm plus 16 ohm resistor for overturn to the IC. And this IC needs clock signal oscillation by this oscillator which is pin number 4 to 6, and data terminal out is 18 and 17, and potentiometer terminal is 15, 16, which is no potentiometer. And there is a IC. 13 pin is LED out, LED pin, and 2 and 2, 10 and 11. 2, 10 is a IC internal feedback pins, and these is small little circuit is. Now this video can become next video very soon with more things, tear downs and projects. Pause.